Hey guys, Devamitra and Shotik one more time. Shotik, say hi to everyone.
Hello guys, myself Sotik Datto.
Yeah, today we are going to talk about our company and about our training courses, what we are providing from PCS Global. So right now I am going to give you an introduction about our company. That is, PCS Global is an ISO certified company. The full name of PCS Global is Nation Computer Solutions Private Global Private Limited. We are working in market since 10 years, and it's a software development company. And right now we are working in, we have three wings actually. The first one is software development, the second one is our training wing, and the third one is our talent management wing. So currently we are going to talk about the talent management wing and the training about the training vertical. The training we provide. Right. So in PCS Global, we provide the free internship programs and some trainings, that is corporate training, industrial trainings as well. And in PCS Global, there are so many people who have worked in PCS Global, and right now they are working in so many reputed agencies. And as we are a talent management company, we take candidates, and we always hire candidates and make them proper and deploy them in other companies also. So these are the one thing what we do, and we are doing it from since last 10 years. So Shotik, tell us about something about our company.
We initiate many workshop, internship, and skill development program. And in the year of 2019, from the year of 2019, we spread services pan India basis. And in our company, there are 1450 plus employees work from beginning, and we visit many colleges, private colleges and government colleges for college recruitment and
campus drive.
Campus drive.
Right. So we are doing these things right now also. We are visiting the colleges, and we are providing the corporate trainings, and we are giving that proper information about the courses, and whatever the courses we are providing, the corporate trainings, there are so many programming languages, okay, included in this training part. So in our free internship program, in our CALP program, in our proper other courses, what we are providing, that today we are going to talk about this.
Yes.
So the technologies we provide,
like full stack Java development,
like Python,
Salesforce CRM Cloud,
like JavaScript,
Java DevOps,
blockchain.
ASP.NET.
Right. These are the technologies we are providing.
And one more technologies have PHP and MySQL.
Yes, PHP and MySQL. Very good. So these are the technologies we are providing. Okay, in PCS Global, there are so many training programs are already going on. There are free training, free internship programs. If you want to judge yourself, either you are capable to do some programming languages or not, you can join the training programs also. And from the training programs, you can get that self-assessment part, that either I am capable to do software development, is this my kind of job, whatever job role is more suitable for me. So for that knowledge, you can join this programming free internship programs, and our Java DevOps class already projects are going on, and you can join our Python courses also, as well as the Salesforce courses are also are also we are enrolled our candidates. And right now the booming technology in market is Salesforce, so we always advise people to join Salesforce, right, Shruti?
Yes. One more thing is Salesforce. If you wanted to take a course on Salesforce, first you need to know something about Java, because Java is
Yes.
important for
Yes.
Salesforce developers.
Yes. At least you have that first knowledge of Java, because Salesforce is not about coding. It's there is no coding part in Salesforce.
Yes.
But the first to need to
In
to get
Java,
the knowledge in
Salesforce developer.
Right.
If you want to be a Salesforce developer, you need to know something about Java, not a core Java.
Yeah, the
Little
first
bit
part
of
in the initial part of Java, that is core Java, not advanced Java. Okay, so you need to know it. Okay, so in whatever in today's session we have said, that is very important. So Shotik, if they want to connect with us, kindly provide your number.
Yes, right. My number is 811-6400648.
My number is 8670117742. So if you want to connect with us, kindly call in our numbers and you can get full information about Salesforce, about Java, about JavaScript,
about all the courses,
about full stack development,
full stack
and
Python,
PHP,
Salesforce, CRM Cloud.
We are here to help you, where we will provide all informations, and our enrollment process are already going on. The seats are very limited in our batches. So if you want to enroll, kindly communicate and get that information, and kindly join PCS Global. Okay. So these are the things for today's session. Bye for now. Okay.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Yeah.
Bye.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye for now.
Bye.